Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Are you wondering what to do different with mushrooms? What goes well with the mushrooms? I have a long list of different categories of foods that go well with mushrooms, such as what protein foods, including nuts and seeds and vegetables and fruits and grains and dairy and other foods as well. I do have them spelled out in the description box below, but I also want to go over some suggested flavoring combinations, and I have these and more on my blog site, on my blog page, where I wrote about Mushrooms 101, the basics. So the link is down in the description box below, so check that out when you can. So some suggested flavoring combinations include mushrooms with arugula, pasta, and peas. Now that sounds interesting. How about breading them with breadcrumbs and then including some chives and some garlic, and maybe flavor it with a little bit of olive oil along the way. How about mushrooms with garlic, ginger, and scallions? And this one sounds good to me. Mushrooms with garlic, leeks, lemon, and walnuts. You take a little lemon slice and squeeze it over that combo. That really sounds good. If you want an herb combination, mushrooms with garlic, a little olive oil, parsley, rosemary, and thyme. All of that sounds really good and a little bit something different to do with mushrooms. So do check out what's in the description box, and also check out the blog site for yet more information, and also recipe links on the blog site as well. Well, I do hope this helps. Take care now. Bye-bye.